This tiny bird navigates using Earth's hidden magnetic forces. It senses invisible directions across vast oceans and skies. Even in darkness, it continues its perfect journey. Special vision helps it detect the planet's magnetic signals. Scientists believe it sees magnetic patterns layered over reality. This natural compass guides thousands of kilometers every year. Young birds follow routes they were never taught. The sky becomes a glowing map. Only they understand. Nature created a navigation system beyond human technology.